Hello, good morning. Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. What day is it today? Today is Friday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. That's right. Super. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. Wow. Okay, let's read the date together, okay? Today is Friday, February 5th, 2021. Super. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. That's right. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. Get up and dance with me. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. Okay, let's see. Now I have a question. How many sounds do the vowels have? 2. That's right, at least. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. Let's see. Can you read them? I bet you can. Here we go. Indian. Umbrella. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Apple. Ostrich. Super. So those are the short sounds. Now, let's learn and review the long sounds. When it's the long sounds, we mark it with a line. And it makes the same sound as its name. Okay? A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper. Okay, so when there's only one vowel in a word, then it's going to say the short sound. Let's practice. How many vowels are in this word right here? 1. That's right. So we're going to mark it with a happy face. So we know that this vowel says elephant. So lead. Super. Now let's look at this word here. How many vowels are in this word? 2. That's right. You guys are so smart. Okay. Now the rule is when there's 2 vowels in a word, the first one is long. So we're going to mark it with a line and it's going to say E. And the next one is silent. Shh, doesn't make any sound. So we're going to cross it out. So this is going to say E. So it's lead. See? Lead. The E's have different sounds. Wow. Okay, super. Now, what happens when we put a consonant and vowel together? It makes a blend. That's right. So let's say some blends today. Are you ready? Here's Nestor Ness. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Super. Peppa Pig. Pa, pe, pi, pa, pa. Don't get confused with the pa and the pa. This is pa, ah, ah. Pa, pa, pi, pa, pa. Queenie quail. Qua, que, que, qua. Rosie rabbit. Ra, re, re, ra, ra. Ra, ra, re, re, ra. Super duper. And there's Sammy Seal. Hi, Sammy Seal. How's it going? Sa, se, si, sa. Sa, 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 si, sa, sa. Superdy duperdy. You guys are just amazing. Let me put those over there. Okay, now we are also learning about special sounds. You guys are just learning so much. So close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Remember, the special sounds are two letters or more that go together and make a sound, or one letter at the end of a word that makes a special sound, okay? It doesn't go with the rule like this one. Okay, let's review. K, duck. E, me. O, go. I, fly. A, pray. St, stop. Pla, plane. Fra, frog. Tra, train. Sh, ship. Two sounds. The. Thick, this. Bl, block. Cl, clock. Fl, flake. Gl, glue. Wow. And then remember that there are also words that don't go with the rules. They're called sight words and we have to memorize them. Let's review them. Of, a, the, to, do. Super. All right, now close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We're going to review one vowel words. Are you ready? Here we go. Pig. Miss. Milk. Sit. Is. Hid. Will. In. Bib. Did. Did. Fill. Hill. Kiss. Lid. Quick. Rip. Sick. Sit. Six. Tim. Pin. Zip. Win. Pig. Okay, all done. I think we might have done a few times over. I'm not sure. Anyway, super duper. Now, it says letters and sounds pages 105 and 106. Okay, so we're going to get our letters and sounds book out. And we're going to open up to page 105. Right there. Can you see it? Okay. And it's an evaluation. So let's have some fun. Make sure to write your name at the top. And parents, make sure to write the date. Thank you so much. And one says, circle the word that names each picture. This is a cup. Cup. Repeat the word with me. Cup. And this is hit. The bat hit the ball. Hit. Hit. Desk. Desk. Rock. 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 Fan. Okay, number 2, mark the vowels. Remember the rules. If there's only one vowel, we mark it with the happy face. And when there's 2 vowels, the first one is long and the next one is silent. Number 3, fill in the circle under the word that completes the sentence. You know how to do it. Super. And then we're going to go to page 100. Oops. You know what? It's just 105 because 106, nothing. It's empty. Well, there you go. Well, that was great. It was great seeing you today. I'll see you next week. Have fun on the weekend. Lots of love.